Scrolling on my phone, mind gets caught, lying to myself. I'm greener grass, dream another life, one that's not so hard. I can get lost down that dangerous road. I am not them. I do not know what they're really going through. There's a lot that I assume. Freedom I get from the work that I do. Thoughts that I choose, feelings I soothe, finding the mingle of ease, loving what is. Wouldn't it be grand if I settled in to love my life? What I have made foundation strong, built with bricks instead of straw. Gratitude, wiser have learned to nourish their own. Life is not in the escape, learning to embrace, happy or sad, all feelings will come. Doesn't matter what we have, grounding is key, finding the mingle of peace, loving what is. Finally, I've learned not to fool myself. Loving what is. Finally, I've learned not to fool myself. Loving what is. Scrolling on my